How to delete phone calls on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. This is your iPhone contacts page. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. You can view all your recent call logs over here. Go to the call log you want to delete from here and swipe left. And then tap on the delete button as shown. Alternatively, tap on Edit at the top left corner. Then, tap on Select. After that, tap on the minus sign beside the call log you want to delete. And then, tap on the Delete button. You can also tap on Clear at the top right corner to clear all the logs. Then, tap on Clear all recents to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete phone calls on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.